President Emmerson Mnangagwa, frontman and controversial businessman kuda kwachitagwirei, has been quietly maneuvered into ZANU-PF Central Committee, further cementing his influence within the ruling party despite his deeply entrenched corruption allegations. Salabina Mashuko atona kuti aiwa zvonzi Tagwirei sneaks into ZANU-PF Central Committee ranks. Kunyange zvake aiwa ane allegations corruption akanyanyisa. Ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tiona panguva inoi aiwa vanhu vakanga vachiprotesta yesterday pamusoro pekubvisa zvigananda. Panapa panobuda nhau inobuda nyogwa ichinzi ZANU-PF Harare province announced on Monday that it had resolved to recommend Tagwirei's co-option to the party's Central Committee, a decision that raises concerns over the increasing fusion of business and politics under Mnangagwa's administration. Critics argue that Tagwirei's formal entry into ZANU-PF's decision-making structures signals a dangerous precedent where business tycoons with questionable reputations wield unchecked power in national governance. His inclusion raises concerns over deepening state capture where private interests dictate government policies and decision-making. As Zimbabwe grapples with economic hardships, the growing presence of figures like Tagwirei within the ruling party suggests a bleak future for accountability and transparency in the governance. His influence in ZANU-PF's inner circles will likely continue shielding him from prosecution, allowing him to operate above the law while dictating the country's economic trajectory for personal gain. Thomas Kanobuda Panapa, Panuvacha Pachimachima Pansoro, the rise on a introduce or quota Tagwirei the ruling party ZANU-PF vachiti aiwa tochiona nhamo zviya panapa achipinda panapa kunyaskuita corruption vakunyaskuita madiro panguva inoita kuti hapana anovabvunza. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndakume section medu tudze mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, on the bell icon.